Check meta image availability and generate professional OG/meta images for social preview with downloadable links in multiple formats. Meta Image Generator is a Chrome extension that helps you audit and generate professional social preview images directly from any web page. Instantly check if a page has meta/OG images, review key Open Graph and Twitter card tags, and create brand-aware previews optimized for Facebook, Twitter/X, LinkedIn, and more. Key features include Meta Image Checker. Detect OG:image or Twitter:image tags with live preview, source, and dimensions. Page Meta Summary. View essential Open Graph and Twitter card fields like title, description, domain, and type. Social Preview Audit. Verify OG/Meta, Twitter/X, Facebook, and LinkedIn tags with dimension checks against recommended sizes. Brand-Aware Generator. Auto-build templates using site colors, logos, or favicons for professional branding. Flexible visual assets. Choose text-only, page meta image, brand image, or a custom direct image URL. Royalty-free search shortcuts. Quick access to Unsplash, Pexels, Pixabay, Getty Images, and FreePic. Professional Image Generator. Create 1,200 by 630 images with 12 templates, auto-filled meta text, character count guards, gradient overlays, and 5 preset resolutions. Multi-format downloads. Export images as PNG, JPEG, or WebP with one click. Usage is simple. Navigate to any web page, click the extension icon, and instantly see meta/OG image details, tag summaries, and social preview audits. Then generate a custom preview image using site branding, external images, or gradient templates, and download in your preferred format.